In this video, we listed the 5 best Dual Extruder 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Snapmaker Artisan 3D Printer. The Snapmaker Artisan 3D printer is a versatile machine designed to accommodate various creative passions with its 3-in-1 functionality that includes 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, and CNC carving. Constructed from durable aluminum, it features a spacious 400mm x 400mm x 400mm work area, allowing users to tackle complex projects while minimizing workspace requirements. The Artisan's advanced dual extrusion 3D printing module enhances speed and precision, while its industrial-grade all-metal design ensures increased rigidity and durability for high-speed operations. Capable of supporting over 600 materials, including various filaments and tough substrates like wood and metal, this machine also boasts a user-friendly 7-inch touchscreen interface that simplifies workflow management and module transitions. Users can take advantage of Snapmaker's free software for seamless operation across all 3 fabrication methods, making it suitable for both home and business applications. Number 2. Sovol SV06 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 3D printer is a robust and versatile machine designed for both household and industrial use, featuring a classic i3 structure that minimizes wear and tear compared to conventional wheel-driven models. Constructed from durable aluminum and finished in black, it measures 15.3 inch x 19.6 WX24H and weighs 9 kilograms. An upgrade in firmware boosts print speeds from 50mm per second to 150mm per second, while its self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder, featuring a planetary dual-gear system, ensures precise, efficient extrusion. Capable of printing at temperatures up to 300, the hot-end setup eliminates the need for frequent PTFE replacements. The SV06 also incorporates a 25-point auto-leveling system for precise bed leveling and a PEI-coated build plate for easy print removal. With a self-developed 32-bit silent board, it operates quietly, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and advanced users seeking customization options. Number 3. Snapmaker J1s 3D Printer. The Snapmaker J1s is an innovative dual extruder 3D printer designed for fast and precise printing, featuring advanced vibration compensation technology for stable operations even in high-frequency environments. Built with a robust one-piece aluminum alloy housing, this printer offers exceptional stability and minimizes wobbling, ensuring high-quality output for any project. Its independent dual extruder (IDEX) system allows for waste-free dual material printing by operating 2 separate extruders on the X-axis, enabling efficient batch production with copy and mirror modes. With capabilities to handle various materials at nozzle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, the Snapmaker J1s is equipped with features such as anti-clogging measures and a filament sensor for enhanced performance. Intelligent calibration takes just 10 minutes thanks to a 3-point leveling system and a double-sided PEI glass plate, significantly improving adhesion and reducing downtime. This advanced model builds upon the original J1 with enhanced cooling features, making it an excellent choice for both amateur and professional users seeking high precision and productivity in their 3D printing endeavors. Number 4. QIDI 3D Printer. The QIDI Fast 3D printer by QIDI Technology is designed for high-performance printing, featuring a fully industrial-grade structure with an upgraded dual Z-axis system and linear guides that enhance printing speed by 20% and improve accuracy. Its dimensions of 20.47 inch x 28.74 WX24.41 H and weight of 93.5 pounds make it a robust machine capable of accommodating various filaments such as PLA, ABS, and nylon, thanks to its heated chamber that can reach 60 degrees Celsius. The printer is equipped with an automatic dual extruder for complex part manufacturing, including the ability to utilize water-soluble PVA supports. Additionally, the all-metal high-temperature extruder ensures durability and smooth printing, with a sizable print volume of 330 by 250 by 320 mm. User-friendly features include a large UI interface and QIDI's custom slicing software, offering both novice and expert modes for tailored printing experiences. Number 5. Flashforge 3D Printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a state-of-the-art 3D printer designed to revolutionize the printing experience with its one-click automatic printing feature, ensuring perfect bed leveling and seamless adhesion for flawless initial layers, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments. Notably fast, it boasts a core XY structure that supports travel speeds of 600 mm per second and accelerations of 20,000 mm², making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production while maintaining high precision and quality. The printer features a quick nozzle change system, high flow capabilities, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy part removal, all complemented by a rapid warm-up time to 200 degrees Celsius. With versatility in mind, it accommodates various materials through its dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and multiple nozzle sizes, ensuring superior print quality for intricate designs or quick models. Additionally, the Adventurer 5M supports real-time monitoring via the Snapmaker mobile app, allowing users to oversee print progress and make adjustments remotely, enhancing the overall printing management experience.